Hello and welcome to the October cosplay progress vlog. When I last ended in September, I was cutting out the pieces for Baby Yoda, and this is where that costume is at the moment. None of the side seams are sewn up, so right now it's kind of a bunch of flaps. I also cut out the cuff pieces and have one of the cuffs assembled, so my main project for today is going to be working some more on this coat. I'm sorry I haven't really filmed much this month. I haven't had the energy to sew, so I've just been given myself permission to work on whatever it is I feel like working on at the moment. So I did finish the lollipop prop for Utao's Graph Art Cafe design, and pretty happy with how that turned out. The other big thing that I did was finally sit down and learn how to thread and change the needles in this serger. You may have seen it in some of my previous videos. My sister kindly gave it to me as a birthday present, and I've been a little intimidated by it, but finally sat down and got it working. I think I have the tension all figured out, so we should be good to go, and now I can have beautiful finished edges on my costume pieces, which I am very much looking forward to. I also got in the mail the first issue of OzCos magazine, as you may have guessed from the title of it. It is an Australian cosplay magazine that just started, and they do print on demand, so thankfully it was not super expensive to have it shipped in the US. And this is the most important thing that I have done all month. It is now November 14th, and I figured I would just go ahead and combine the October and November vlogs together, since I stopped filming in October and really didn't make anything new. But as you can see, I did finish something, and that was the skirt for Aqua from Konosuba. I haven't really been in a mood to sew, so I gave myself permission to, like I said before, make whatever really felt like making, and in this case, it was the skirt. November has just been flying by, so since the last time I filmed, I finished the shirt for Aqua, and also started painting her fans. Since the last time I filmed, I've made a little more progress on Aqua. As you can see, I've started the collar, and I also finished painting the fans. It is now December, so I figured I should finish up this video with the last bit of cosplay progress I made, which is finishing Aqua's fans. Thank you so much for watching this video. I know it was a little bit jumbled, and I will see you in the next vlog.